Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'm demonstrating how to make a chocolate peanut butter poke cake. This recipe makes a rich chocolate cake that's baked to perfection, then poked all over so it can soak up a creamy peanut butter filling. So let's get started. To make the chocolate cake, combine 4 large eggs and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, and stir these together until well combined. And set this aside for later. In this bowl I have 2 cups all-purpose flour and 2 cups of granulated sugar. To this I'll add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. And whisk these together until the ingredients are well distributed. Add the eggs and oil to the bowl and stir until well combined. And pour in 1 1/4 cup of room temperature coffee and stir well. And this makes a rather runny batter. Pour into a greased 9 by 13-inch cake pan. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. While the cake is baking, make the peanut butter sauce. In this bowl, I have 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. To this, I'm adding 1/2 cup of whole milk and stir these together until well combined. And set this aside for later. After baking, let the cake cool for 10 minutes. Then, using the end of a wooden spoon, poke holes all over the cake. Slowly pour the peanut butter sauce over the cake, making sure to get into the holes. Let the cake cool completely, then cover with plastic wrap and place in your fridge for about an hour. Once the cake is cooled, it's time to make the peanut butter topping. In here I have 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to mix these together until it's smooth. Now with the mixer running, I'm going to slowly start pouring in 2 cups of heavy cream. So take about 2 minutes to pour all this in. And these are the peaks we're going for. They're folding over just a little bit. And pour the topping over the cake. And spread it evenly with an offset spatula. And finish the cake off by sprinkling it with chopped Reese's cups, peanuts, a drizzle of chocolate ganache, or anything else that you like. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.